Welcome to Dream Big. Today we are going to do max chapter of statistic technique. But what we have really going to go with? We're going with the formula, which is really important as well as step. I explain in this video. Then let's get started. Uh, in FY Become Semester 2, you will have 6 lessons from statistic technique. Therefore, I am here just preparing formula list for you and all, and you will get it and this, and you can take a screenshot of it itself if you want, and comment me in comment section box that if you want it screenshot, I will make another video for it for a seconds, for 2 to 5 seconds for this video or screenshot. Then let's get started. The we will start from last lesson, that is normal distribution. Then let's get with formula. The first thing is that in statistics you have to learn formula. If you know formula, the sum will become easy, and whatever the formula I'm just showing you, it will also helpful for you for your MCQs. Then just focus on it, because sometimes people ask just q q is what? Q is equal to u minus 0 point another value they given, and you have to choose this one. Therefore I'm saying the formula playing a very important role in anything to do or practice. Then let's get started from a main point forward. I think this much is okay for you for know about how to do a stat and how to do. First you have to learn formula. You can learn formula at a morning or at a night before sleeping. Then it's my advice to you and all. Now let's begin with it. Statistic. Normal distribution. See, this formula is very important, and you can solve by using this formula 5 marks sum, or sometimes they ask for a MCQ. 1 by here root 2fn is here minus x. Sometimes here they will put number, and instead in here place of u they will put some numbers, just like what are the numbers they put, like numbers they here they will put like 10, 20, and say what is u or what is mean. U is equal to mean. What u means? Mean. See, if you have to find standard deviation, it means q1, then you have to put formula u. U means means. By here you will get u. U means means, and means minus 0.67456. And what is this? Standard deviation. What? Standard deviation. Then you have to find standard deviation, and you can put it. And here q3, for q3 finding you have to plus. Here for q1 you have to do minus, and for q3 and you have to do plus. And for finding q2, right, q2 you have to do q3 minus q1 upon 2. By finding this and this you will get this formula, and you can find with it median. It means q2. And sometimes you can find qd directly, not q1 not q2, directly quartile deviation. Directly quartile deviation you have to find, and you have to put this formula 0.67456 into standard deviation. It's a standard deviation, okay? See it careful. I'm just put it in the box that you can know it easily. Now let's move on another. This is the second lesson, which is discrete probability distribution. See, the first MCQ come from this chapter is that which distribution it is, continue or discrete. Then see, in a chapter name they just present it is a discrete distribution, right? Then you have to learn about it's a discrete distribution, and it's about binomial, okay? Probability is equal to n, it means number of trials c upon r, it means success. It means n raised to c upon r into p raised to r upon q raised to n minus r. Binomial theorem is a standard formula you can represent. Sometimes they ask by giving in a multiple question options that how the binomial theorem standards represent. Then you have to just go with this option, p plus q upon n, or sometimes they put q here and plus p upon n. That's also right. Here p plus q always become 1. If they ask p plus q is what, then 1. And if you have to find p only, then you have to do 1 minus q, or if you have to find q only, then you have to do 1 minus p. And x bar means mean, it's mean. mean is equal to NP. In binomial, mean is equal to NP, and its normal, mean is equal to U. Mean is equal to U, and here binomial, mean is equal to NP. Variance is equal to, variance means standard deviation square. It is another name for standard deviation square means variance. It's NPQ. Your mean means NP and variance means NPQ. And standard deviation means NPQ here square. See, as I say, variance is standard deviation square. You will put here the square, then it becomes standard deviation. In Poisson distribution, see, it's totally easy about it. Mean is equal to NP in binomial, but in Poisson, mean is equal to M. Only M. And variance also same with M. And variance also M, and mean also M. Then here it is easy. And in a standard deviation, you have to put M square, right? And real formula is e raised to minus m mx upon x. Here is the index number formula. You have to just learn about it, how it is. See, it's related to your 12th standard. I know you will all get it about it. Here it is aggregate method. Uh, I is equal to m summation of p1 upon summation of p0 into 100, and relative is 1 minus p10. It's just for a formula purpose you will put, and you will get, it's a Laspere. It is a weightage average method. It is Dobby-Wallace method. It is Marshall method. Just read and do. If you know this, then you will put this and do. It means here in a index number you have to just learn two formulas, that Laspere and Paspere. By this you can make addition of it. Then you will get Dobby-Wallace formula. And if you do the addition and take out its bracket, you will get Marshall-Ager formula. Its real income is equal to current income, what you earning this year, upon index income, what you want to earn, into 100. Relative is current year price upon previous year, what your price was next year, into 100. See, Byron linear equation is R into B1 on B1, and byx is equal to b. Okay, byx simply means b, and bxy means b1. Okay, byx means b1. Here you can also put instead of b, byx, and instead of b1 bxy. It's all formula. Byx, how you will find, r into sigma y upon sigma x, or bxy you will find r into sigma x and y. Yeah, I don't like to explain this because it is too easy and you will study in 12th standard, but still I am explaining. See, px is equal to under root x minus mean upon square upon 100, and same y. Here you have to y. This is new for you, Spearman rank. Here what you do, 1 minus 6 into summation of d square. It is means difference upon n1 n square. It is a correction window. By finding correction in d1 or d1 square, you can do m into m square minus 1 upon 2, and r is equal to, it is also important, it is merger of this formula and this formula. See, correction window upon square month, then will you can this formula. Then 6 is equal to summation of d square plus summation of n square upon n1. I hope you will get it all this. Then all the best for exam. Do well. Thank you for watching. Just subscribe my channel, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.